What about those sticker stars of yesteryear? Well, there's a difference between, it's night and day. In fact, I just thought of this. I remember painting a mural, gosh, it's been 15 years ago. And I painted for this customer, and the customer's father was there. The father was helping prepare the room. They were painting the ceiling, but he didn't say much. He wasn't too. I found out later that he wasn't too thrilled that after all the work, getting this room painted and everything, that I was going to come in and paint stars on the ceiling. He just thought, "What are you talking about?" to his son. So he didn't say much to me, and I painted the mural, and I showed them. I brought everybody in. I showed them, and again, Dad didn't say anything. It's like, everyone else was like, "Wow, this is cool. This is great." But Dad just sat there silently, and I'm like going. And the son had already said he was worried, and so I left. I packed up and left, and then he called me the next day. He said, "Hey, I gotta talk to you about what my dad said." And I'm like going, "Oh, great." And he said, I was blown away. He said, I couldn't speak because this was so close to the real night sky that I just was speechless. He says, you've got on one end of the scale, let's say, you have the sticker stars. And on the other end of the scale, you have the real night sky. He said, I was hoping that he would be maybe halfway between the two. I didn't think it would be halfway, but I was hoping he would be close. I could not believe he was so close, that the mural was so close to the real night sky. He said, I couldn't believe it, and I couldn't speak. And so I was sweating bullets up until then. That just made my day, because this customer's father, he was an outdoorsman. He loved to go camping. He loved to go do anything in the outdoors, and part of that was to look at the real night sky. And so when he said that he couldn't believe it was as close to the real night sky that it was, that made my day.